Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about tofu, and I have a list of suggested food and flavoring combinations using tofu. So if you're new to using tofu, or if you're looking for some new recipe or meal ideas, hopefully this will help you out. Combine tofu with asparagus, cashews, and mushrooms, or tofu with asparagus and sesame seeds. How about tofu with balsamic vinegar, basil, lemon, and soy sauce? Or tofu with black beans, tomatoes, and zucchini? How about tofu with bok choy, garlic, and sesame? Or tofu with butternut squash, curry, and peas? How about trying tofu with coconut milk, ginger, and lemongrass? Or tofu with garlic, ginger, honey, mustard, and soy sauce? Try tofu with garlic, ginger, rice vinegar, sesame oil, and soy sauce. Or tofu with garlic, lemon, and soy sauce. Or tofu with garlic, mushrooms, and spinach. How about tofu with ginger, rice, and soy sauce? Or tofu with ginger, scallions, and tamari? Or what about tofu with lemon, miso, parsley, and sesame? I do hope this helps to give you some new ideas for using tofu. Take care and bye for now.